Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are GPS Smart Wiper Car. Today, I'll be driving you through the progress we have made and the whole magical adventure of making this wiper car. So, I hope you enjoy the ride. We will start from motivation to action, manual wiping, auto wiping, to obstacles and prospects. First of all, motivation. Before we get started, I was wondering, how many of you people have ever hurt yourself when you're doing sports? Do you know that there are hundreds, even thousands of people are getting injured while they're doing sports right at this moment? And most of it is because of the wet floor. So if you're lucky, you probably just twist your ankle. But if you are not, you might even break your leg. So I would say safety is pretty important. But no one wants to be a lucky guy to clean up the whole court until it's dry. That's why we came up with an idea. Why don't we build a machine to deal with this kind of unsafety and inconvenience? Now let's look at our action. Our wiper car contains outdoor wipe and indoor wipe. The outdoor wipe can clear up the water that remains after the rain. The indoor wipe can clean up the dust and sweat on the indoor stadium floor. Now let's look at the components that we use. As we can see, this is a Bluetooth connector called HC05. It allows us to control the car with our phone. Move on to this Arduino Mega board. It is used as the main cord of our whole car, which can receive and send out the signal. These two are L298N modules. They allow our car to go in every direction successfully. We also 3D printed the joints between the motors and tires. We use two MG996R servo motors to lift up the wiper. We use two 12-volt batteries as the power supply to activate the motors, and one 6-volt battery to provide the mega board and servo motors. Finally, this is a circuit board where we connect all our wires. These are all the components that we use. If you've ever wanted to build a wiper car, please pay attention right now. This is definitely a small but important tip that you need to know. This is called an EVA sponge. It has a strong friction force and can perfectly wipe off everything that is in its way. The sponge will be attached at the bottom part of the wiper, and we easily cover the wiper with our mop. This is how we accomplish the indoor wipe and outdoor wipe on the same car. Now, let me show you how to operate our car by steps. First, we connect the Bluetooth by pressing the connect button. And we select the BT wiper, then we're in. Our manual program code can allow our car to go forward and backward. The more important thing is the L298Ns can control the way the wheel spins, which can make our car to turn right or left. Our wiper also performs perfectly, moving upward and downward. Now behold, there is no water left after our car wipes through. With the manual action, now we have a safe place to exercise. But the inconvenience hasn't been solved yet. That's why we came up with the auto action. We hope that our car can automatically wipe the whole court with just one button. To achieve this concept, we have to take advantage of the satellites. First, we grab our phone and connect to the car by Bluetooth with HC05. The GPS signal will be collected by the GPS module and sent to the mega board. Our car can go to each specific point on the court with just one button. This is where we settle our GPS module. The signal collector has to be on the top of the car to be able to receive the signal. This concept sounds magnificent, but not everything works exactly as we wish. Allow me to show you what happened. First, we grab the GPS of the specific point where we want our car to go. We compare the number with the car's current coordinate. We calculate the slope between these two numbers. If the car starts turning to the wrong direction and goes to another point on the court, the slope will become rather big. As we can see, the car will start turning left until it is back on track. Our car can successfully turn to the correct direction just as programmed. But there's a big trouble. The GPS signal is never stable and accurate. That causes the direction is never precise for our car. Because of the unstabilized GPS, we have to come up with another method to try to save our auto mode. We found out that each speed of 4 motors are never the same, so the car can never go straight. We also found out our car always leans to the right as it goes, so we regulated a bit of the right tire speed to make it go straighter. But this method can never be as accurate as a stabilized GPS. Now our car can wipe off all the water that remains after the rain with our manual and auto mode. But there definitely are some places that can be improved. So these are the prospects that we hope can be accomplished in the future. First, we hope that our car can indicate a car's GPS system, which has 3 GPS modules, and the car's coordinate can be more precise. Second, we hope that our car can add a water suction system to suck up all the water that is gathered in the wiper. In conclusion, let's look at our SWOT chart. We will start from the back side. We can definitely tell the wiping needs time, and the price is rather high than the old school wiper. But let's look at the bright side. Our wiper car has no manpower required, and you can do other stuff while cleaning. The more important thing is, this product has never been on the market before, and its cost-performance ratio is high. With all these advantages, we are now looking at a great success in the future. Get a smart wiper car right now and make your sport experience safe and sound. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you all for your patience. We are cheers.
我觉得报告蛮好笑的，对，然后能动起来还蛮厉害的啦，就比我们那届的厉害多。对，就是但是还是有几个点可能要注意，就是一个就是你讲到轮子它不同速度的，对，那可能要用一颗主要的马达，然后做一些传动机构，这样子基本上会比较方便来处理。
好，谢谢。
对，然后另外一个就是可能底盘会太低了，这样子。
对，它比较像超跑，就是。
对，但是因为主要我们可能在外面的球场，你底盘低，有一些石头就很容易卡到，或者是说你水也有可能不小心会溅到你的机舱里面，所以这个也是要注意的一点。好，谢谢。其实还不错啦，至少会动。
我这边这是我们今天的最后一组英文报告。那一样就是我早上问的是为什么会想要选择，那你觉得选择英文报告对你来说的最大挑战是什么？
我觉得就是学英文报告就是想挑战自己，然后就是想试试看自己到底可以做到哪些程度，然后就是真的可以去把自己推到自己的极限，然后把自己潜力逼出来。
那我这边早上谢谢了一个于飞老师，那我现在要谢谢我旁边的2位，一个是洪颖老师，一个是怡玲老师，他也帮助我们甲班这边去做英文报告的整个修饰，让我们鼓掌，谢谢他们。
Actually, it's an excellent presentation, but I have a question. Can this wiper recharge the battery just like an iRobot?
We have to open the top and take out the charger, take out the batteries and charge it.
Well, maybe you can try better just to have that wiper to recharge itself, just like our iRobot.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, good. Well done.